Hi everyone! In this video I will show you how to install cartridges in HP NY6120E. What you need is grab this notch at the right side of the printer and open the scanning unit until it gets fixed in the place, and your printer must be powered on for the cartridge holder to move out of its hiding spot in the right side. Next, if you already have cartridges installed in these slots, you need to remove all cartridges. First, to do this, just push down on the cartridge like this, and then you can easily remove your cartridges. Next, unbox your new cartridges and remove the protective film. There is an orange ribbon over here on the new cartridges. You need to pull this ribbon and just remove the film. And then make sure you're inserting the black cartridge in the slot with the black label. So put the cartridge like this. Repeat the step for the color cartridge. And now you need to push the cartridge towards and up a little bit, like this. So it's fixed in the place and clicks. And now make sure the cartridges are not wobbling in the slots, like this. They inserted firmly. And then you can close the scanning unit. When you installing a new cartridge, the printer may suggest you to perform cartridge alignment. If this isn't happening, I recommend you to do it manually. So tap on menu on the screen and find Tools. Next, tap on Reports, Status Reports. Now check this checkbox, Print Quality Diagnostic Report, and tap on Print and wait for a page from the printer. Make sure you have some paper in the paper tray. Paper change, everything is alright, so tap on Print and wait for the page. Once you've got the page, look at the item 4, and if these lines are straight, you don't need to do anything. But if the lines are crooked, you need to go back to the printer's display, press the back button, back once again. You need to be in the Tools menu and press the Troubleshooting. And tap on Cartridge Alignment. Press continue, and now the printer will give you alignment page, so wait for it as well. And next you need to place the alignment page on the scanner glass and then touch scan. So let's do it. To place the alignment page correctly, you need to open the scanning unit lid and put the page facing down and align the top left corner of the page. With the top left corner of the scanning surface, you have the shaded corner here, so align the page to this corner and make sure that it fits snugly to the borders. Then close the lid and tap on Scan button and just wait for the scanning process, and you're all set actually. Now the scanning is completed, cartridge alignment completed, and just press OK and start using your printer. I hope this video was helpful. If yes, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button. Any questions, comment below, and be awesome. Bye guys.